To fulfill our dream of a TB Mukt Bharat, we need to make this into a genuine people's movement. We will have to do more over and above what we are currently doing, and to bring together those who are working in silos. The success of this campaign solely depends on the activities reaching our grassroots population. We must create scalable and replicable models at the earliest. Action has to pivot around states, and most importantly in and around hard to reach areas. No two states are the same, and we need to customize activities as per the geography to accomplish a multiplier effect and bring in perceptible and measurable change. It is high time that we join hands to build upon the work already accomplished, in which an international and prestigious organization like the World Health Organization has been supporting us for the last 70 years or so. We must expand collaboration beyond medical interventions to include other ministries of the Government of India, percolate to the level of Gram Panchayats, and most importantly, we must reach out to our elected representatives. It will be crucial for each one of you to play the coordinator's role at all levels, to synergize the interventions and efforts of all implementing partners in a target that we have set out to accomplish together. I must speak only the truth. Eliminating tuberculosis by 2025 is not a mean task. It will require collective responsibility of each and every citizen of the country, which is why I have given it the name of a Jan Andolan, a citizens' movement. We need to collectively build this Jan Andolan and give tuberculosis elimination a push like never before. Otherwise, we cannot expect dramatic improvements in the status. Nor can we expect to raise access to quality services for poor people, hard to reach patients, HIV positive tuberculosis patients, and those ill with drug resistant disease. We also need good communication, policies, as well as training. All that we do must be aligned perfectly to a common cause, shared explicitly by all leaders and citizens to stop tuberculosis. All of you present here today are part of this big partnership with the Government of India. We are all together in this, but this partnership must be rooted in the strength of our conviction and the will to act. I call upon all of you today to become the agents of change, to act, and to act forcefully, and act now. We cannot afford to be complacent.